Question paper 2019, question number 10, related to process costing. The question is like this: a product passes through 3 processes for completion during the month. 1000 units of raw material at rupees 20 per unit. These two figures you need to write in the first process. Where? In the first process, right? Always the raw materials are introduced in the first process and you will get the finished goods in the last process. Is that clear? I will repeat it once again. Raw materials are fed into the first process. ಅಂದರೆ raw material na ಒಂದನೇ processನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕೋದು. And last process you will get the finished goods. That is a process costing. See, so this one and this one is to be recorded in the first process. Apart from this raw material, so we have the sundry materials, labor, direct expense. These figures are to be recorded in the debit side of the first process account. See the first process. The first process is like this. As I said, that first para 1000 rupee direct materials, 1000 rupee into 20 equal to 20,000, and remaining first process. This was the first process. Materials, the sundry materials, direct labor, direct expenses, the figures given in the first column. These figures, and there is no rate column and unit column. Always it was blank only. And move to the credit side. By normal loss. How much normal loss is here? See, the normal wastage in the first process 5% is there, and this 5% of the normal wastage on the input column. And what is the rate for that? 4 rupee per unit. See, normal wastage is 5%. 5% of what? 5% of this 1000 rupee, sorry, 1000 input in our raw materials into 5% of that, you will get the 50. And 1 unit rate is how much given in the last line of the question? 4 rupee. Multiply these two, what you will get? 200. Then after that, the information is, see this one, by process 2. What is this by process 2? By process 2 means from process first to process 2 it was transferred. Remember, the first process information is transferred to the second process. It means the first process output is transferred to second process as input. See, the first the process input how much, output how much given? If you see here, the output of the first one 900 is there. This 900 is transferred where? This 900 is the output of the first unit. So it means I will explain you here only. The first process output transferred to second one, and second this process output transferred to third one, and third one directly finished to stock. So first in output is transferred to second process. How much is here? See, 900 is the one. Then how this 34 comes and how this abnormal loss comes? That was the you need to find. How this one is to be calculated? Listen carefully. This was the question to you all. So first always you have to take the total of this one here, and you write the same here. Out of the 1000 you subtract 50 first. Where? This part. Debit minus credit is simple. Debit side is 1000, a credit side take the same 1000, minus 1 2 3 1 2 only 900. See, 1000 minus 50 minus 900 is how much? 50. This 50 is your abnormal loss quantity. Abnormal loss, always this abnormal loss is to be computed like this only. Total minus credit side input output column, remaining is the abnormal loss. Then how this the cost is computed now? Cost is computed by using the below the account one statement is there, one equation is there, I given in the format also. How to find this one? If you see here, the equation is total cost minus abnormal loss. What is total cost? This column total. Add all these items, 31, 32, 500. Then what is normal loss? Normal loss means this amount here. Then what is total units? Total units means this one. What is normal loss? 50. So 32 500 minus 200, and 1000 minus 50 normal loss, then you will get the this 34 rupee per unit. Use this 34 rupee per unit in the which column? The output process transfer 2 is not given. You need to find always these two figures. These two figures, transfer to next process and abnormal loss. You have to find these two by using this equation and this amount. So 900 is given in the problem and 34 rupees computed here. And abnormal loss computed 50 units is there. What is the rate for that? 34. You need to write this 34 computed here to transport to next process and abnormal loss. So multiply these two, write the here, and you will get the total. Now your total is tally. How much your total? The total of the debit side cost 32,500 is equal to 32,500. This was the way. The problem is correct or wrong. These two must be tally. After multiplying 34 rupee to these two, then you will get the 32,500. This was the first process. Then move to the second process now. Now remember the first from the first process, what will take in the next process? The output of the first process is transferred to input of the next process. This one. This was the entry you have to post to the next process. That is a by process 2 means what? It was entry of by process means 2 means process 2 to process 1. That is recorded in the next first only. See, this one is this one comes from the first process, where the first entry is comes from the last process. This one is the entry of the last process, process 2 to process 1. Credit side of the process 1 is recorded debit side of the process 2. Clear? Next, the remaining entry, these 4 entries. These 4 entries are in the question. How? These figures are recorded in the problem. Which are those 4 items from here to here? So all these 4 items are to be debited. And how much your normal loss is there? 10%. What was the rate for that? 8 rupee. And what was your output? 800 rupee transferred to next process. See the same information in the problem. See, 10% is normal loss. 10% is called normal loss is computed on the always input column. Input is 900. Its 10% is 90 comes. What is the rate for that? 8 rupee given in the problem. 8 rupee multiply, you will get the 720. How much output given in the problem? 800. So 800 is the unit. This 60 rupee. These two is to be computed once again from the by using the equations. How? I will show. First you find the total of the debit side amount. Debit side amount total is how much? 900. Then keep the 900 here. So 900 minus 90 and 800. You will get the 10 as the balancing figure of the abnormal loss. Quantity first, input column and output column. So if the input is more than the output, you will get the abnormal loss. If it is the output is more than the input, then you will get the abnormal gain. I given in the format. But in this problem, input is more, output is less. So 10 units is the abnormal loss. Move to the calculations now. The calculations are like this. Once again, you need to find the cost. Total cost, the same amount, and minus what? Formula is normal loss amount. Normal loss 720. And total units 900 here, this one. And normal loss units how much? 90. 90 is here. So if you subtract this one, you will get the 60 rupee per unit. 60 rupee per unit you have to write in the where? You need to write the next process and 60 rupee in the abnormal loss. Multiply these two, will get this one, and you find the total of this column and this column is a match. So that was the correct answer. Then move to the next process. Next process means what? The second process is this third process. It is transferred to next process now. Process by process 2 means what? Process 2 3 to process 2 account, like this. You see, first entry, it comes from the previous process. This was the information comes from the previous process. This information come from the previous process. Remaining these information, once again you see the question, all these informations now debited, all these 4 items debited, and 5% is the normal loss, and normal loss is to be computed how much? 10 rupee per unit. And what was the output? 670. You see in the third process, 5% is the normal loss, right? Normal loss is computed on what base? Input base. Input is 800 here. 800 input is there. 800 input 5% means 40, and rate is given as 10 rupee in the problem. 400 rupee comes. Then this was the output 670. See the entry, this was the third process, there is no next process. Last process the output is transferred to finished stock, so it is transferred to finished stock. If it is the fourth process is then this, instead of finished stock you need to write the process 4, but it was the end. The third process is the end. From here to it was transferred to finished stock. Then how much abnormal loss comes? 90. The total of this one right here, 800 minus, as I said that 800 minus 40 minus this 670. So we will get the abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is how much then? 90. Then find the cost per unit. These two informations are not given in the problem. You have to find always like this by using this equation. So again, total cost is here, and minus what? Total cost minus this was a total cost minus normal loss. Normal loss amount how much? 400 right here, and this 800 is the total units, comes from here, and 40 is the normal loss units. It comes from here to here. So you will find the cost per unit. How much cost per unit comes then? 80 rupee cost per unit. See, the answer is 80 per unit. 80 per unit is the answer. So the 80 rupee per unit is the answer. Write these two figure here. Then multiply the amount. This total and this total is agree. If it is tally ಆತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. This was the answer of the 2019 question number 10. If any questions comes to you, just you feel free to call me. Thank you.